but we were actually wondering if we could get some fireworks.
Some what?
Just some fireworks?
I don't think I heard him correctly. Did you hear what he just said?
He said fireworks.
Oh, fireworks. Ah! You come here asking me for fireworks on the 4th of July?
Look, we screwed up and blew all of our fireworks by accident.
So you think you could just come to your Uncle Hector and he'll bail you out, huh? I understand. People make mistakes.